Hey guys, this is Lauren and we are at the Peppa Pig Theme Park. We were invited to take a construction tour.
Into the park. We'll have a main kind of emissions area off to our right, or my right, your left, and then we'll enter right in. Meet Peppa Pig. We'll have a big statue of Peppa to greet you as you come into the theme park. And of course, you know, iconic Peppa's house and Daddy Pig's roller coaster behind us will be the first thing to greet you. Kind of starting to build up that energy and excitement for your day experience here on the park. Directly behind you guys is Granny Pig's garden. So within Granny Pig's garden, we're going to have a lot of exploring in which you'd find a normal garden type setting. So we have Grandpa Pig's greenhouse garden, which is a large play structure for kids to come and hang out and play in. We also have George's Fort, and the only way to get to George's Fort is to kind of find your way through Granny Pig's maze. And then behind that we'll have, and I forget the rabbit's name now, apologies.
Miss Rabbit.
Miss Rabbit, thank you. Miss Rabbit's burrow. So there's actually some holes that Miss Rabbit has created, and kids can kind of scurry through the holes to enjoy. So it's really one big large play area for kids of all ages to come and enjoy.
You're going to take a few steps closer towards Daddy Pig's roller coaster.
And all of a sudden we find out that Mr. Stryker's doing road work, and we have to take a detour. The detour turns into this fun and exhilarating type of roller coaster ride. So this has been designed and pitched as, you know, my first roller coaster. It's perfect for kids that are looking for a little bit more thrill, that preschool age demographic. Ride takes all the twists and turns in our park. Iconic. We've recreated the ride vehicles that mimic Daddy Pig's red cars. Guests, as they come through in queue, will actually take you through Peppa's house. So it is, you know, modeled right after Peppa's iconic home. They'll go through the living room, the kitchen, get to see, feel, touch the props before they exit out and get onto the ride. Any questions about?
Let me think about it, okay? I'll get back to you.
Oh, a little lower. There we Vertical, go. Horizontal. All right. Do we go this way? I mean, we don't just like, you can like show me for the next one.
That is the family house. Peppa Pig lives in there.
Down there you can see the trains. Okay, coming back around again. That's Peppa Pig's house. Very nice.
Up must come down. So our little kids, our little piggies, as we like to call them, will get a nice little adventure up and down coming from Mr. Bull's Striker attraction. Off to our right is Peppa's Balloon ride. This will give guests, you know, a bird's eye view of Peppa's theme park. And then we'll transition back around. This is actually where we'll queue in for Daddy Pig's roller coaster. And it brings us right into Muddy Puddles, which is a fun place for kids to splash around. So we'll kind of transverse our way over here.
One of the next attractions we see is Mr. Bull's Height Striker. We also have Peppa Pig's Balloon Ride. So over here we're going to be having the Muddy Puddles area, which is going to be a water splash area. Great for those Florida summer heats.
This is going to be for so many kids their first theme park, and we take that like so excitedly because being able to come to your first theme park and not having to wait around while your great brothers are riding everything. You get to get in the action of everything.
So we have one of the water rides, Granddad Dog's Pirate Boat rides, right over here. It's going to be one of the family water rides, so one of the family members. So this is going to be one of the ride vehicles from Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure.
SAW is how 2-year-old George pronounces his dinosaur.
Here's the ride vehicle.
And George
The
is
first time LEGOland is showing off this ride vehicle.
They go to dinosaur.
Well, that's going to do it for update here from Peppa Pig Theme Park, where we got a chance to check out the latest construction. We can't wait, and as always, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.